Okay, so I'm going to start with a question. It's been on my mind all day. Do we have an inversion going on outside, or is it just foggy? What is it?
It's a little happened as warm air has moved in over the top of the valley because of the way the storm orients itself across the south, so that warm air is wrapping in, and that's causing some pollution problems. Okay. It'll get worse, unfortunately, before it gets better. Here's what it looked like today as we were out and about in Pioneer Park. Kind of a dreary and drab kind of a day. A little bit of snow falling here and there across the north, light winds. Air pollution is beginning to accumulate in the valleys, and we have moved into the moderate air quality, and that will likely go into the red category by tomorrow, probably on Saturday as well, Friday, Saturday. I want to show you some pictures, and this is some incredible snow that's in Monticello. It is so deep on the main street, 191, that they've been trucking it out. Take a look at this truck. They're literally picking the snow up, putting it in the truck, and moving it away so that they can have some room, and it's caused problems. Here's a building that has collapsed. It was a garage, collapsed because of the heavy weight of the snow. We want to thank Todd Moon for sending us these pictures. And in Enterprise today, Escalante, all of southern Utah getting some snow. We have now a report of 8 inches of new snow in Escalante. Let's take a look at some of those snow reports. Kolob, at least 8 inches up there. Escalante, 8. Beaver, 8. Enterprise, 6 inches. That should be 6 inches. Cedar City, 4. Moab, 2. And Price, 2. These are reports from early this afternoon, but likely we've seen more in many of these areas across southern Utah. Radar has a little spot in here where it can't see the precipitation because of the curvature of the earth, but there is steady snow across this entire zone. Even a little light snow beginning to fall across the far southern Salt Lake County and Utah County areas. 36 in Salt Lake City, 7 in Great Falls, 62 in Los Angeles, rain in Phoenix. The upper level low is beginning to cut off from the main flow. It's spiraling kind of in a counterclockwise fashion. It's going to very slowly move eastward, so periods of snow heavy at times tonight through tomorrow morning. It will be increasing across the Four Corners area shortly, and then a new storm system forms Friday, and this will be here on Sunday. So we only have a couple of days of inversion weather. 36 in Moab, periods of snow tonight, periods of snow Hanksville, Blanding, Lake Powell, heavy snow across this zone, especially the south and east facing mountains. Light rain and snow will be ending along the I-15 corridor, pushing eastward, and for the northern part of the state, it's the fog and the haze that will be increasing with mid-30s. Air quality, red in Cache Valley, yellow elsewhere. Let's look at those 7-day forecasts. Fog for the next 3 days. The next chance for snow is Sunday in Cache Valley. Highs are going to be 20 to 25 until Sunday. Cedar City, periods of snow this evening, mostly sunny tomorrow. The next storm kind of glazes by the area Sunday. For Price and Castle Country, periods of snow tonight, another inch or two possible, and then inversion weather until Sunday, and when the front goes through, the temperatures go up. Same thing for southeastern Utah. Periods of snow tonight, heavy at times, Blanding, Monticello, then mostly cloudy in the morning, afternoon sunshine, with the next glancing blow on Sunday. For the basin, light snow tonight, tomorrow, fog and cold, back below 0 in parts of the basin, and then on Sunday it actually warms up a little bit when the next storm comes in. A little light snow in the Wasatch. And then tomorrow, improving weather by Sunday. Pretty good chance for snow here, St. George. A little light rain this evening. Improving tomorrow, actually fairly nice, 52 to 55 for the weekend and for the Wasatch Front. Haze turning to smog and fog. What you saw today will get even worse. We'll see a little sun mixed in there, so we'll call it snoggy weather on Thursday and Friday. That storm on Sunday actually looks pretty good. Several inches of snow, so it won't last long, this little snoggy period.
All right. Good
Thank
news.
you, Dan.